What's going on, everyone? That's PC Cranford. Packing up to go home for Thanksgiving. Waiting for the weekly test, which is going to happen very soon. Yeah, so I just want to let you know that I am going to record the weekly test off of 300, the 100, and EAS55.
Southeast winds around 5 miles.
Yeah, so it's pretty much how it is right now. So, yep. Enjoy.
Tuesday, a chance of snow showers in the morning. Mostly cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of precipitation 40%. The current time is 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for west central New England. At Bennington, Vermont, it was cloudy. The temperature was 28 degrees, the dew point 17, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 22. The pressure was 30.27 inches.
Okay, none of them went off.
This is a test of the now weather radio warning alarm device for WXM68. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger or hazard. We test this alarm each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather exists or threatens on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. It will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. We activate the radio alarm for the Amesville transmitter, located near Brattleboro, Vermont, for the following counties: Bennington, Windsor, and Wyndham counties in Vermont, Berkshire, Hampshire, and Franklin counties in Massachusetts, and Cheshire and Sullivan counties in New Hampshire. This has been an alarm test. We now return to our regular programming. The current time is 11.
Okay, well, that's never really happened to me before. I don't know if... I think it was a station error, because if you can hear in the background,
Eastern Standard
there's
Time
that little
observations for
hum.
West Central.
So yeah, it's a first, folks. None of the radio is activated for it, as you can see. So, there you have it. WXM68 weekly test. I guess you could call that a fail, because nothing activated, but it still works. So there you have it. Alright guys, talk to you later. Happy Thanksgiving.